Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affair of 12 August. In this video, we will cover some facts of current affair MCQ and some static GK. So let's start. Longest distance Vande Bharat train in India will be inaugurated in Nagpur to Pune. It distance about 881 km. Okay, so it will inaugurated in Nagpur to Pune. It's a Vande Bharat Express, longest distance Vande Bharat train. Nagpur to Pune, its speed is 160 km per hour. Next question, Dardanelles Strait connects Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. Actually, Dardanelles Strait is in news due to the forest fires in Kanakil province. So Turkey banned this strait. That's why Dardanelles Strait in news, and it connects Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. Okay. Why the Constitution Matters? Book written by D.Y. Chandrachud. Why the Constitution Matter? Work for Viksit Bharat portal launched by Niti Aayog for giving employment to the youths in agriculture sector, commercial sector, etc. Sikkim has recently launched Nari Adalat program launched in 2023. Actually, Sikkim launched it Nari Adalat program, and it is Nari Adalat program launched in India in 2023. India's first medal in the Asian Surfing Championship goes to Ramesh Budial. India's first medal in the Asian Surfing Championship. It is organized in Tamil Nadu. BEML new rail coach manufactured unit named Brahma. Where has this rail hub established? So BEML new rail manufactured Brahman rail hub established in Raisen, Madhya Pradesh. It is inaugurated by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. So it will establish in Raisen, Madhya Pradesh. So Brahma rail hub. Okay. So what is BEML? It is full form is Bharat Earth Movers Limited. Established on 1964. It's headquartered in Bangalore. India's U20 women's team has qualified for the AFC U20 Asian Cup 2026 after 20 years. Which country will host the AFC U20 Asian Cup? After 20 years, India's qualified for AFC U20. So it will be organized in Thailand. This championship will be organized in Thailand. Budget allocated for Bharat Taxi, India's first cooperative taxi service, allocated 300 crore budget. Gai Jatra festival celebrated on in Nepal. Gai Jatra festival is related to the cow. Okay. Which summit curtain raiser was held on 12 August 2025? That is ET Sunicon Summit. Okay. Main focus areas of ET Sunicon Summit curtain raiser is AI infrastructure, security and ethics. The historical sword returning to India belongs to which Maratha ruler? So Raghuji Bhosle I. Okay. It will return on 18th August. Now we will talk about some static GK. Today we will cover some important schemes of under the Women and Child Development Ministry. So first scheme is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, established on 2015, and save the girl child and promote her education. It's main focus. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, launched in 2017. 5,000 maternity benefit for the first live birth. ICDS, Integrated Child Development Service Education Scheme. It is launched in 1975. It's Anganwadi based nutrition, health and preschool education. Poshan Abhiyan 2018, reduce malnutrition and anemia, promote healthy practices. One Stop Center, that is Sakhi 2015, single window support for women facing violence. Ujjwala Scheme 2007, rescue, rehabilitate and reintegrate victims of trafficking. Sadar Grah 2015, shelter and care for women in distress. Mahila E-Heart launched in 2016, its online marketplace for women enterprises. Working Women Hostel Scheme, safe and affordable accommodation for working women. National Crèche Scheme, that is Palna Scheme, launched in 2017, day care facilities for children of working mothers. Childline 1098, 24/7 toll-free helpline for children in distress. Kishori Shakti Yojana, launched in 2000, improve health and development of adolescent girls. Balika Samriddhi Yojana, launched in 1997, cash incentive for girls' child education from BPL families. Shakti Sadan, launched in 2020, shelters home for women rescued from trafficking. So, guys, we just have completed some important current affairs, facts, MCQ, and some static GQ, which is important for your upcoming examination. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.